Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I have a quick one for you guys on how to utilize the colorful effect on CapCut. So initially what you're going to want to do is go up to Media, click and drag your clip to the timeline. Once you have it there, we're going to go up to the Effects, Video Effects, Nightclub, and then go to Colorful Effect. Click and drag it down to the timeline, bring it to the beginning of the clip, and elongate it to the end of the clip. And now with it being highlighted, we can go up to the special effects tab and mess with the filter and the speed of the effect. So let's go 100%, make kind of like a disco effect, a little bit of perpy perpy. So let's check it out. Fantastic. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys like this effect, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.